The size of your head.
130 into third, turning in. Really just struggling, just running out of puff just a little bit. Then brakes them. And on.
Have you been ungeared?
I have, yeah. A few months back.
Them direzzas are really good. Proper semi-slick, none of this ADOAR stuff. Hello and welcome to another episode of Geared, and today you join me at Donington Park. That's right, again, it is a local track for me. It's about 40 minutes away from Birmingham where I live, and today we'll be going out in my good mate Fathead Jacko's Audi TT. This has recently been K04 converted and it's running 360 horsepower. It's not your average hairdresser TT either. It has had a lot of work done to it, different coilovers, full roll cage, but we go through all the details with Jacko right now.
Have you been ungeared?
I have, yeah. A few months back.
You ain't broke it again, have you?
Nah, just putting some slicks on, like you told me to.
Happy days. The size of your head. Jesus. Fathead Jacko and Gina. Audi TT. How long have you owned this?
6 years?
Yeah, 6 years.
About 6 years.
6 years. And it was completely standard when you bought it?
Yeah, I bought it as a daily car and then...
It didn't last long as that. It got mapped and then before you know it, it's full-blown track car.
Okay. So with these standard engines, they're like a Golf GTI K03?
Yeah, K03 Golf GTI 200 brake.
Yeah.
Alright for the road, but never enough for a track.
Okay. So you've done the K04 conversion, and with front wheel drive, aren't we? It's not a quattro.
No, it's front wheel drive still, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got a Wavetrak diff in it, so we can try and get some power down.
Okay. So what sort of power is it running now?
About 360.
Okay, about 360, and about the same pounds foot, is it?
Yeah, I think it's about 350 odd.
Yeah.
Artec did it earlier this year.
Okay.
It's second outing, just testing it.
Nice one.
Find any problems if there is.
And coilovers, I see you got some other KWs?
Yeah, clubsports.
Yeah.
We were on V3s before.
Yeah, we were on V3s for years and then swapped them over.
Found a
winter.
good price upgrade, so that was getting while we can.
And you've had the Geo done as well?
Yeah, suspension secrets. He's looked after us with that. It's absolutely on rails now.
Happy days. And what sort of brakes have we got on there? Because they're not standard, are they?
Tarox 370 two-piece discs.
Yeah.
Brembo TTRS calipers with Paget RS29 pads.
Okay, very nice. And alloys, what were they? 1.2s or 1.3s? 1.3s, yeah. And what sort of rubber have we got?
Dunlop direzzas.
Yeah. DZ03G, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, good tyres. And you got a funky exhaust system on it now. You never used to have that.
Yeah, Clark Customs, he's an assistant for us. I wanted a centre exit, so we just thought we'd...
When we first got the car, we had a system done, we had a Scorpion on it.
No, full Cobra.
Full Cobra, sorry, we had on when we first got the car. and we ran that for years, and then we've just changed over winter to this centre pipe.
And I see you got a full, is it SW?
SW, yeah, Sean and the lads have looked after us. Yeah, made it a climbing frame and work of that.
Yeah, and what seats are they?
Carbo. Carbo Pro Series.
Yeah.
With Schroth 6-point enduro harnesses.
Nice. And you've fully polypushed it. So
yeah, full powerflex.
Yeah.
Vibratechnics engine mounts. Everything's uprated just to get rid of that sloppiness.
Okay. Any sort of anti-roll bars?
Yeah, new speed, 28mm front and rear.
Okay. Happy days. Well, unfortunately we've had to do the interview part a little bit later on because it was an evening session and my BMW wouldn't start, which is typical, so we couldn't get the interview done. So now we're doing it just right at the entrance of Donington, in a thunderstorm. It's just about to oof it down, so we'll cut it off there. But thanks very much, guys.
No worries, thanks a lot.
Cheers. So Audi TT K04 converted, not quattro, front wheel drive. As I said earlier, good mate of mine, Jacko, so thank you very much, mate. I'm not going to lie, I've driven this before, and I actually drove it as a wedding vehicle for Gina and Jacko's wedding, but since then it's had a lot of work done. Polybushes had a lot of work done on the rear end, and obviously that K04, which is spooling up nicely straight away. Then we got Dunlop direzzas, DZ03G is probably one of the best semi-slick tyres that you can get. Freshly mapped by Artec, so we got a different clutch and we've got a Wavetrak LSD. And now the Wavetraks are really good LSDs. With these TFSI engines or FSI turbos, whatever you want to call them, the heat in them is they get really hot, and that's why a lot of people put water meth on. Planted. 360 horsepower. About 350 pounds-foot of torque. Traction control really coming in there. We're getting moving. Steering feel really nice. Then brakes them. Hang on. The turning on this basic feel from the wheel sometimes, and you can't feel where your tyres are, but this is alright. Pulls nice and hard, like lower down, and then just towards the top, and you can feel it. Really just struggling, just running out of puff just a little bit. Transformed from before being a K04 conversion now. The direzza is really good, proper semi-slick, none of this AD08R stuff. Really well set up car this. You can feel the cage, it's nice and solid. You don't feel that body roll at the back with it having that rear anti-roll bar, the new speed anti-roll bar, all them bushes, you can feel it all working together. I just think with that K04, just at that top end, you just feel it, as I said, run out a little bit of puff, but mega car, like, honestly. But this will be coming back onto the channel because we got some ring trips planned for later on in the year. This spends a lot of its life at the Nürburgring, and it is set up for the Nürburgring.